All right, so we have a mic check. Mm. Not sound good enough. Anyways, welcome again to Military Guna TV, people. Thank you very much again for joining. And today we'll speak about Leon Bailey in specific and the move of Coutinho to Aston Villa and how does this affect Leon Bailey. So, guys, please remember to smash the like button as I get into some of the details of what's happening around Aston Villa. And I'm going to give you my insight on what I think or what I believe in regards to everything. So, people, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button as we kick on. As you know, HBO help a brother out. That still applies, people. So let's get straight into it. So officially, Fabrizio Romano confirmed that Philipe Coutinho has joined Aston Villa. Now, I think this is Gerard's. Is it Gerard's first signing? Yeah, I think this is Gerard's first official signing, and his first signing is so it's a loan until the end of the season. Aston Villa will pay main part of the salary. Announcement today as per. So they also I got also information was out that the loan they would think about what happened at the end of the season if they could get Philippe Coutinho on a cut price deal. But this now I think that this is a lovely move for Aston Villa. I would have to say, very, very intriguing move for Aston Villa. He's a playmaker. Also a player who can play on both wings. He provides so much. We know Aston Coutinho did very, very well when he was in the Premier League. And my question now is this. Let me show you guys my question. This here is my question. Could the signing of Philippe Coutinho be detrimental or take a toll on Leon Bailey based off what we have seen so far? And I know a lot of people will be saying, no, it won't. It doesn't mean anything. The thing is, does it affect? Will it take a toll on Leon Bailey, or it does not affect him? For me, I think it will affect Leon Bailey. This is how I believe. Let me explain to you guys what I believe. Now, first of all, Leon Bailey is a Dean Smith purchase. He's a Dean Smith purchase, which means that the club foresaw Dean Smith with this team throughout the rest of the year. Things didn't go as though they planned. There's a few players that Dean Smith bought, like Traore, Leon Bailey, Emin Buendia. There's a few of them. And what we're seeing right now is a new manager coming with a different mindset. And due to that, we might see some changes. Now, we have seen now where Gerard went out and get Philippe Coutinho, a playmaker, a creator, a number, we call it, no, we say box to box. No, I wouldn't say that. A creative element, a number 10/8, but also can play on the wing, either wing. And we have seen it at Barcelona, at numerous clubs, even when he went to Bayern Munich. So we know the level of the talent that this player has and what he can provide. Now, one of the main reasons why Dean Smith bought Leon Bailey was to provide that creativity, that stench of creativity. So Philippe Coutinho will be taking up a creative role. Now, it's going to be difficult to see how all of these players will be playing together. So Leon Bailey being out now could be a reason for this forceful move of Aston Villa to go out and get another creative element. They're Emi Buendia not performing as per the purchase, the price range on his back. Leon Bailey not getting enough out of him due to the fact that he actually is out injured most of the time. And we don't know what the situation in regards to Leon Bailey's injury is. It could be just way more serious than what we actually thought. So we will definitely see how this one carry on. But I think that it could be a problematic to Leon Bailey in which they seek out another playmaker to play in that particular position, who can play also on the left wing that is where Aston Villa played Leon Bailey on the left hand side, and Coutinho can play on the left hand side. We can remember clearly in his days at Liverpool, where he played on the left hand side, cutting onto his right foot and place the ball either top corner or hard and low anywhere. So then now he could actually play as a number 10, but Aston Villa plays more so of a 4-3-3 system. Possibly could be one of the box to box. We have already seen him use Emi Buendia as that outlet. So it's a difficult one to fully analyze, but I think that it can be a bit problematic to Leon Bailey. Now, what this also can do to Leon Bailey is actually it can actually give him an extra push. This definitely can also give him an extra push to actually to see him fulfill his boots, his price range. But it's a problem that I think that Steven Gerrard would have to sort it out himself. But it's difficult. It's really, really difficult. And this might give Liam Bailey time to reflect on what his roles are in the club and how he can go about improving not only his fitness but also how he plays and what he can do to fine tune himself. Yes, the thing is now we have most fans will say that this won't be any issue at all. But in the world of football, there's always issues even when you don't even see them, because that's just how football is. And I just hope that Leon Bailey take this as a positive and not as a negative. That it's just Philipe Couthino coming in would be another addition to the squad, and also him playing with Philipe Couthino, he can definitely see the level of where he should be and how he should actually conduct himself on the pitch via different situations. So he can actually learn a lot from Philipe Couthino, I believe, and improve himself, because we all know that we want the best for him as well at all time. But the time will come where we can definitely see where Steven Gerrard head is at, and how we approach the totality of the January transfer market, and also the summer transfer market, that is the summer transfer window that is coming up. And I'm just hoping that Leon Bailey will be and still is a part of his plans, because we want to see the best for him. But I do believe that this may take or may be impactful on Leon Bailey. I strongly believe so, and it's just for him to take the better cause out of it. And I strongly believe. So tell me what you think. Do you think that this will affect Leon Bailey, or it may not? So put it in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you, in the meantime, doing so, please don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so as yet, smash that subscribe button, as I wish you would. So I'll see you guys again until next time to the Military Guna TV, and have a good day, people. We are out.